Welcome to the LEVOLOR Motorized Shutter video series. The LEVOLOR Shutter's motorized system is a patent-pending, self-contained louver rotation system. There are two features that make this system unique. First, our motorized shutters allow for panels or panel sections to be operated via remote control. This allows for multiple functions and settings for louver rotation. Manual operation can be done at any time without any change to the motorized operating system. This is made possible because of our unique gearing system, allowing for smooth operation when operated by remote or hand. Let's review how many motors are required and when they are needed. A two-panel shutter with no divider rail only requires one motor to operate both sections. A two-panel shutter with a divider rail has 4 operable sections. This configuration requires 2 motors, one at the bottom of the shutter and one at the top. The second key feature is our spring-loaded panel connector system. This unique feature joins the louver section of one panel to the louver section of the adjacent panel. This allows use of one motor to power 1 or 2 louver sections. The louver sections of 2 panels are joined, and the panels can be opened and closed at any time. The panel connector will re-engage when panels are closed. All motorized shutters must use 4-sided frame with the exception of bypass track systems. All bypass shutter systems can utilize the motorized option when 3-sided frame is requested. The remote features 6 customizable groups. Each group will control 1 or more motors. An All button quickly selects all groups so they can be operated at once. The Favorites option is factory set at a 45-degree upward tilt. This allows for light and is semi-private. The Stop button will stop operation when pressed. Next to the Stop button on either side are Tilt buttons. These buttons can move the louver slowly to any desired position. Press the up arrow to automatically rotate the louvers to the full open or horizontal position. To close the louvers, simply press the down arrow.